All right, let's look at the homework 2.2, problem number 9. All right, so f of x is x squared, which is a parabola, and g of x is 7 times x squared, so it's another parabola, but there's going to be the vertical stretching by a factor of 7. So this guy's going to look a little bit skinnier and taller. All right, so let's look for the graph. So it's facing down. It's not it. All right, this is not a parabola, so it's not it. So it's going. This is not it. All right, so this is the parabola, I guess. And let's see which one is which. Oh, okay. Well, we're looking for just a graph of f. So this is the only parabola-looking picture. So this is going to be it. All right, and then we gotta look for. We're gonna go down here. And we're going to look for the graph of g. Right? So it's going to look skinnier. So this looks promising. This is not it. This is not it. This is upside down. So only a reasonable picture here is this one. Right? So let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got the f of x correctly and the g of x is correctly here. All right? Find the f prime of 1 and the g prime of 1. All right, so let's go ahead and take the derivative. So f was x squared, right? Derivative is simply just 2x. And since we're plugging in 1 for x, so this is going to be just 2. All right, and g is 7 times x squared. So derivative is going to be 2 times 7, 14, so 14x. So 14 times x, but x is 1 in this case, so it's going to be 14. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and we got part B correctly. All right, let's move on to part C. All right, sketch the tangent line to the graph of f at 1. All right, so look at the derivative at 1 is 2. So slope of the tangent line is 2. All right. So it looks like, let's see, this is not going to be it because you have a wrong graph there. This is a wrong graph there. All right, so it's between second one and fourth one. But here, the graph of f is wrong, so this is the only one. All right, so this is going to be the correct one. All right. Then if you look at the tangent line to the graph of g at 1, right? So slope, remember, it's 14. Right, so it's going to look like here. So these are, g of x is wrong here. So you have a parabola, so this is the only one facing up. So choice is pretty easy. So this is going to be the correct one. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like, let's see, looks like we got tangent line for g is correctly, and a tangent line for f is correctly as well. All right, last one. Explain the relationship between f and g prime. So remember that it's g is 7 times f of x, right? So derivative is the same. So this is going to be 7 times f prime of x. All right. So let's check the answer. All right. I came back and looks like we got this one, part D, correctly as well. All right. That's it. I hope that this was clear.